Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to review the latest addition to the Samsung Galaxy series, the Samsung Galaxy S23. The reliable smartphone is packed with some amazing upgrades and new features that are sure to take your mobile experience to the next level. So, let's dive in and see what makes this phone a must-have for tech enthusiasts. The Galaxy S23 is designed for the ultimate gaming experience, featuring a Snapdragon Gen 2 processor, improved vapor cooling chamber, and a 6.8-inch Edge display with an adaptive vision booster system. This means no more interrupted gaming sessions due to low light conditions or glare, and you can enjoy your favorite games anywhere, anytime. With the phone's AI capabilities, you can also be sure that you're ready for the next big thing in mobile gaming. The camera on the Galaxy S23 Ultra is out of this world. The 200MP main camera and the new adaptive pixel sensor will make your photos and videos look stunning, capturing even the smallest details. And for the selfie lovers, the Super HD front camera will allow you to take 12MP, 50MP, or even 200MP resolution photos and 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second videos. You'll love the enhanced nightography and double optical image stabilizer features, and with the Expert RAW app, you can have DSLR-style photo capturing at your fingertips. Personalizing your phone has never been easier with the One UI 5, Good Lock app, and Galaxy Eco-Friends range of accessories. You can choose from specialized grip stripes, back panels, and even camera stands inspired by your favorite Marvel superheroes, Star Wars characters, and Disney icons. And to enhance your audio experience, the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro headphones and Galaxy Watch 5 will provide immersive sound and added zoom capabilities with the camera controller app. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S23 series is a reliable smartphone upgrade that will take your mobile experience to the next level. With its peak gaming performance, advanced camera features, customizable design, and immersive audio, it's a must-have for tech enthusiasts. So, go ahead and check out the official link in description to get your hands on the Samsung Galaxy S23.